Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about user style sheets, part of web technologies course. User style sheets, also known as personal style sheets, allow users to apply their own CSS styles to a web page. This can be useful for users with accessibility needs, such as those who are visually impaired or have difficulty reading small text. Users can create their own style sheet, which is then applied to all websites they visit, or they can apply styles to a specific websites using a browser extension or plugin. Here is an example of a user style sheet that increases the font size on a web page. In this example, the user has created a style sheet that increases the font size on the web page to 20 pixels. The not important rule is used to ensure that the user's styles take precedence over any styles defined in the web page original CSS. A user can also use browser extensions such as Stylish that allows users to apply custom styles to specific websites. In this example, the user is using an extension such as Stylish, and the styles will only apply to the websites example.com and increase the font size to 20 pixels. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.